Welcome to our exciting journey into IPTV and Firestick legality. What exactly is IPTV and why has it gained immense popularity lately? IPTV, or Internet Protocol Television, allows you to stream content online effortlessly. Many users are now opting for services using Firestick for convenience and accessibility. However, the crucial question remains, is using IPTV legal on Firestick devices? To answer that, let's explore the legal aspects surrounding IPTV services. Some IPTV providers offer legitimate content, while others may operate in a gray area. It's essential to differentiate between licensed and unlicensed IPTV providers. Researching providers and reading customer reviews can help you make informed choices. Using a VPN can offer anonymity while accessing IPTV services on Firestick, enhancing privacy. But remember, even VPNs can't make illegal content legal, so choose wisely. Now let's talk about some reputable IPTV providers worth considering for Firestick. We would like to give a shout out to www.2tv.store as a recommended provider. Their services are known for quality streams and a wide channel selection for viewers. In conclusion, while IPTV can be legal, always confirm the source of your content. Choose reputable services and protect yourself from potential legal pitfalls while streaming. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.